We'll come to sit cross-legged on the floor, crossing the legs at the shins and giving yourself a bit of space between your seat and between the legs. So there's this little, almost a triangle here between the legs and your pelvis. And you can bring the hands onto the thighs, onto the knees. Take a couple of breaths to settle down into your seat. Allow the spine to be long as you sit here. And you can close the eyes and begin to inhale and exhale through the nose with the mouth gently closed. And with these first few breaths, allowing the breath to be the anchor that brings you into your body, into the moment. So maybe with each exhale, feeling yourself sinking into the body, becoming fully aware of your position on the mat. Spine is long, shoulders relaxed, the muscles of the face relaxed. And maybe now you can begin to start lengthening the exhale slightly. So you might like to count on the inhale, maybe 2, 3. And then see with your exhale, can you lengthen the exhale and silently count to 6. And it doesn't matter if you don't exactly make the count. The point is more to bring awareness to the lengthening of the out breath. And maybe as you sit and bring your attention to the breath, you begin to become aware of all the thoughts that occupy the mind. And we're not going to try and push away the thoughts or wish that they weren't there, but simply let's imagine all of those thoughts that kind of seem to flurry up like leaves in the wind. Can you imagine them slowly settling down around you like leaves settling on the ground as the breeze settles down? And still with that attention to the exhale and with the count, we're going to inhale the arms up. So you can open your eyes if you like. We'll inhale the arms up for 3. 1, 2, 3. Exhale the arms down for a count of 6. So pointing the palms away. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll go again. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. Press the palms away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can sprinkle the hands towards the ground. We'll move into a side stretch. So you can drop the right fingers to the right side, just the fingertips coming to the ground. And then let's inhale the opposite arm up, lengthen through the whole of that left side. Look up. Exhale, stretch over to the right. Breathe. Really feel length along the left side of the body. Check in with that left shoulder and see if you can draw the shoulder blade onto the back. Give yourself a bit of space between the arm and the shoulder. Continuing to breathe. Keep that left hip rooting down. Inhale the arms up. The arm up. Come to the other side. Keep going with that inhale. Exhale, stretching now to the left. Again, think about that hip drawing down here. Long open chest, giving yourself space in the ribs where maybe there isn't a lot of space now as your baby starts to get bigger and take up more room in there. So inhale to lengthen the fingertips away. Exhale, draw the shoulder blade onto the back. You can make sure that left elbow is bent. Breathe. And then let's inhale the arm up, sprinkle the fingertips down. And we're gonna open out the legs, give the feet a little shake maybe. Stretch the legs out wide, press through the heels. So you can bring your hands down either side of the hips. Press through the heels here. Use the hands to keep your upper body long. Take a couple of breaths here. If you like, you can think about the long exhale again. Maybe even close the eyes. Press the heels away, long through the backs of the legs. And then we're going to bring the hands in front of the chest, palms facing away. Inhale here, lengthen the spine. Exhale, keeping the legs active, stretch forward, press the palms away. Blow out through the mouth. Inhale again. Exhale, like the breaststroke, blowing out through the mouth. 2 more. Try to keep the upper body long as you come forward. And coming back to center. And we'll do, we're going to take first bending the left knee and take the sole of the left foot to the inside of the right leg. Allow that left knee to drop out to the side. Take a moment here. You can bring the hands down either side again. Press through the heel of the front leg. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, can you open out in that hip a little bit? Walk the foot as far forward as you need to get kind of comfortable here, to allow that knee to open out. And then on an inhale, we're going to bring the hands onto the elbows at shoulder height. Exhale, you're going to lengthen forward, lengthen the elbows forward over that front leg. Inhale, bring the inner arms in line with the ears. As you come up, exhale, hands down. So we'll go again. Inhale, hands onto elbows. Exhale, lengthen forward with the elbows. Inhale, bring the arms alongside the ears as you come up, opening out the hands. Exhale. 1 more. And then we'll go to the other side. Getting your position, bring the hands down. Inhale again, lengthen the spine. Exhale, getting comfortable, opening out that knee to the side, opening out on the hip. Smiling. Inhale the arms up to grab the elbows. Exhale, lengthen forward. Inhale, arms in line with the ears and coming up. Exhale, sprinkle the hands down. Inhale. Exhale, forward. Inhale, arms in line with the ears. Exhale, hands down. Last one. And bring the hands down. And then we're going to come and finish in a child's pose. You can bring the knees wide, big toes together. Walk the hands forward. You can rest down on the elbows, so you can have your knees as wide apart as is comfortable for you and to accommodate your growing bump. So you can walk the hands forward, go as far as here if you like. You can take your hands onto the elbows, get the bum back onto the heels. Breathe. Feel the weight of the upper body sinking down towards the ground. If you want to and it's comfortable for you, you can come all the way down onto your forehead. Feeling a kind of spaciousness across the sacrum, the lower back. And then coming up onto the fingertips, walk the hands in, bring the knees together, hands onto the thighs. Take a couple of breaths here to feel how the movement is in the body. And appreciate any sense of enhanced calm or quiet in the mind that you feel at the end of the moving and the breathing.